So wonderful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to meet you again. It's another trading day. It's Tuesday. We have May and the 11th of May, and I'm really happy. Tina, wonderful. Good morning. I'm so happy to see you here and that you join this session, morning briefing show. And of course, this live show, this morning briefing show is streamed live on YouTube as well. So if you watch it later, maybe because you missed something, or maybe you're live on YouTube, then you will find a button on your right side. So click it if you want, then you can subscribe this channel and you will never miss an episode. And it would be really great if you give us a like, you know, this one, or maybe this one, whatever you think it's good for you, because, you know, everything is a kind of perception. And yes, you can leave a comment below this video on YouTube, but you're welcome to leave your comment on Zoom right now. As well, here on my right side, I can see it on YouTube. Dawn, wonderful, good morning. And here on Zoom, I'm really happy to share my knowledge with you. So another trading day, interesting week. And of course, I hope you're doing good. And we can share now I hope I can share my screen right now. Anna, my lovely Anna, my moderator in the back. I realize I'm completely depending of her. So if she doesn't like me, she will not give me the screen. Seems she liked me this morning. Great, wonderful. So thank you very much. So good morning, Thomas. So again, guys, feel free to ask whatever is in your mind in this show, or maybe later, of course, on YouTube or here. So Andras, Arnold, Danny, Diana, Freeze, Gary, Ian, Kurt, May, Markus, wonderful, good morning. Piotr, Stefan, Tess, Thomas, Tina, Truta, Willie, William. I have two Williams here. Wonderful, good morning. So let's go. And this is our topic for today, which will lead us a little bit through this show. Is it possible to learn trading indeed? Can I learn trading? So this is the main topic for today. And you know, you can learn, in my opinion, you can learn if you realize that trading is not a kind of guessing, it's not a kind of gambling. Albert, wonderful, good morning. It's a formula. Success is not a fantasy, it's not an illusion to become rich in trading in a quick way. That's an illusion. But becoming a successful trader, that's not a fantasy. That's a formula. That's like a kind of craft. And every kind of craft, if you have the seeds for that, you can learn. And if you think you don't have the seeds for that, then plant it. Help another one to that this guy can reach his goal, and you plant your own seeds to become successful in whatever you want to do. And in trading, it is absolutely possible that we can plant that seeds and we can become successful in trading. On YouTube, SR, whoever you are, wonderful, good morning. So therefore, follow the rules. Valid trend, young trend, trading out of the correction, latest entry point, point 2, and waiting for the balance candle, or maybe that you see and visualize that the trend or the price is turning. Okay, Barry, wonderful, good morning. So, and with this in our mind, I want to remind you, where is my phone? Oh, so you can send us a video if you want. So take your phone like a selfie style, push the button for video. And then I'm Markus, I'm from Germany, and I like this morning briefing show, and I have a question for Markus. Then record it and send it to livetrading@admiralmarkets.com. Or maybe you have a special question, then send it there and they will give it to me and we will share it in the morning show, and I will answer your question in an individual way only for you. The other points is you can follow my social channels, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or maybe completely new since last week, twitch.tv/DowHowTrader. This is running on the right side on my chart. This is a live trading room. There you can see me, there you can ask me the entire day from morning to the evening, unless you can see that there's a text running on the bottom of the slide that I'm in a coaching or something else. But if I'm available, then feel free to ask, and I give you by my microphone an answer on a direct way. So let's go to the information we need today. First of all, we don't expect any important numbers today, which means free day, just focusing on trading. And, we are swing traders, which means if you don't have something to do in your charts, enjoy your life. Focus on your job, focus on your family, focus on your friends, reading a book, playing games, whatever it is, but stay away from trading and help us with this kind of, how should I say, proper trading. Help us to make Admirals to the best broker around the world, to reduce the number of losing accounts. And we can do it. We can do it together. I promise you, if you follow this show, if you follow the rules, you have a great, great chance to change something in this world. And I guess it's our job. It's our responsibility. If you have this knowledge and if you have this deep wisdom about the pen and how you plant your seeds, you can change everything in your life. And I promise you, you can reach everything in your life. Absolutely. Try it. Give it a shot. Give it a shot. I promise you, it works. It really, really works. So, do you have an opinion about the Turkish index? Let's see if we will find it here on Admirals, and then we have I will check it again. So let me invite you tomorrow, a lovely webinar, what happened at Archegos and what can we learn. It's by Paul, hosted by Paul. And on Friday, why serious paper trading is as important as serious live trading. So, and of course, if you have a real account, and you can click on the links to open a real account, then you can make a login here on this channel. Then you have an access, for example, to your private Admiral Markets room. And there you have premium analytics if you want. So, and here you have deeper insights and more information, what's coming out and about wonderful news and something else. If you're interested in something, then open a real account and you will find a lot of information in that. If you want to follow my trades, by the way, you can see it in my Twitch room, live trading room, or you follow my Twitter account, because there I share all my trades and change and something else directly here. And by the way, if you want to have more information, visit my homepage, dowhow-trading.com. It's in English, it's completely new. We published it 2 days or 3 days ago. So what's going on with our trades right now? Yeah, it's interesting. Yesterday, we had a close, it's Australian dollar, Swiss franc, you can see it. Yesterday, we had a close, I make it a little bit bigger so you can see it here. So yesterday, we had a close above my purple line, which means that's my soft stop. You know, my hard stop were set higher because I only work with soft stops. You see, the price went up. Then I had a close above. It was, I guess it was around noon, yesterday noon. And then I trailed my stop lower, not exactly above that candle, because I could see the next candle was really strong. So I trailed my stop closer, but not exactly. It's a kind of, yeah, if you can read the charts, that's the point. And a good mentor can train you in that way. So I trailed it, and you see, actually, we are still in. So, but I trailed my stop and just losing a couple of euros, but not that much, but I'm still in. And here you can see the big, big benefit of working with soft stops. Yeah. read the charts. And therefore, let's see what happened right now. So now nothing can happen anymore. I trailed my stop. I'm willing to lose around about 31 euros. That's fine. But if the price, and I'm quite sure that finally it will happen, that the price will reach my point of flow, we can make almost 1,000 euros with that. Okay, so, and how we should handle it in case we get out? Nothing. Then we realize that we are in the wrong bus. We get out the next station. That's fine, but nothing changed with the other three rules. We still have a trend. It's still a young trend. We want to go back to the point of control, and yeah, we are waiting for the next balance candle, or maybe we set a pending order a little bit lower in case the trend will continue. Then we can go down. Yeah. So wonderful good morning to Vijay, I guess, Mr. Yajaf on YouTube. Welcome to the show. Okay, so this is Australian Swiss franc. Let it run. So the better one, and I promised you guys, I promised you it will happen. And now you see we are kind of on track back to the point of control. It needs time. So how many of you are with me in that trade? Type in the chat box, I am or I'm not, on YouTube and on Zoom. So tell me if you're with me in that trade. If you're still in, type in the chat box. Wow, Alexandra, Arnold, Alexandru, wonderful. Arnold, wonderful. Tina, why not? We have to train it. I made a fourth with the stop. A fold, I guess a fold with the stop. Yo, that cannot happen. Focus, Thomas. Focus. Or maybe handle your emotions. Work with the soft stop. If you are too close, done. Wonderful. Wonderful. I'm really proud of you guys. You will see. So nothing can happen. We sold half the position. The soft stop is in profit. So, and nothing can happen anymore. Yeah, then, okay. So you see, Albert, you can never miss a signal, you know, kind of probability. Never forget that. Never forget that. Yeah. So now it's possible. Actually, it's possible. You see, because we have a trend continuation right now. So you see, we had that correction. So, and now it's a question, do we have a trend continuation? Yes or no? To be honest, no, it's not. Because we don't have a clear close beyond or below the last point two. Yeah. John, greetings to Nairobi. Welcome to the show. If you like it, then invite all your people if they want to learn trading and they want to improve their life with trading, because if you do it on a proper way, you can improve your life. So feel free to invite all the people to our morning briefing show and to Admirals, of course. And I hope once Corona is over or kind of normal life, I'm sure we will see each other in person, because I plan to make a roadshow around the world to hold speeches and to work with you. And I'm looking forward to that, to do that. So actually no trend continuation. So there is no reason to trail the soft stop right now. Let it where it is right now and let the market work. Everything can happen, but we are safe. It's a free ride. Yeah. Don't check it. Tomorrow, maybe it's running. And that's a good feeling. This is what I'm talking about. Real freedom. Yeah. So we come to trading about money. Yeah. But only the strong people, the strong traders, remain in trading by having deep knowledge. And one of the deepest knowledge or wisdom I would ever say is that you become a strong trader, that you focused on prices and not on making money. Because making money is a logical consequence if you follow the rules. So you have to switch your focus. Yeah. And by the way, remember yesterday, I'll give you a quick reminder about yesterday, about the word risk. There is no risk in trading unless you do stupid things. Then you have a risk. But if you do proper things and if you follow rules, then you don't have a risk, because risk means it's unpredictable what happens. In trading, nothing is unpredictable. The only thing is you work with probabilities, but probabilities means you have a guarantee, you have a kind of protection if you follow the rules. Yeah, but nothing is unpredictable in trading, because you know how much money you will lose in worst case. So where's the risk? The rest is probabilities, not risk. Listen to the words and change your mind. And then you have less emotions in trading. Yeah. And then you can let it run. That's cool. So next one is our FTSE. We almost hit our target. Yeah. And now what we have to do, yeah, we trail our soft stop. We trail our soft stop above, higher to the candle of yesterday, below the candle of yesterday. And if we will have a close, then we trail the hard stop a little bit higher. But maybe, yeah, let's see if we reach our target. But finally, I promised you, yeah, we will reach the point of control. Not always exactly, but roundabout. You see, that's the proof. So trust the system, trust the price. Yeah, that's the point. So my question today, guys, you see, we are struggling with our account, but also we are profitable. Also we are follow the rules, and also we can make money with that. So the question is, and I know how hard it could be to become a successful trader. The question is, do you really think trading is learnable? Do you really think, my question today, you can learn trading? So answer number one, yeah, I do. That's answer number one. Answer number two, I'm not sure right now. Yeah. And answer number three, no, absolutely not. It's not possible to learn trading. So I hope we have our poll. And if not, then type the number in the chat, whatever it is. So again, the question is, do you really think trading is learnable? So answer number one, yeah, I do. Answer number two, I'm not sure right now. Here is the poll. Thank you very much. And answer number three, no, it's absolutely not learnable trading. So what do you think personally? Not what I think. I want to know what you think about that. Yeah, yeah, I do. No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure right now, or it's absolutely not learnable. So what do you think? So, and now let's go through my, but first of all, let me answer the questions of, who was it? It was Gino. Wonderful. Good morning. So here was Danny. Let's see if I find, it. So, okay, here we go. Symbols. So let's see if I have the Turkish. What is that? ISE 100. Do we have that at Admirals? I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. Cash indices? No, I guess. No. So, actually, Danny, I don't find it here on Admirals, the Turkish index. I'm sorry, I have to pass. So if you, I can just do it here. Let's see. ISE, no. No, sorry, it's not. So, but next question is, so here was the other one. Yes, can you tell me about Euro Australian dollar? Yeah, I see, I can do that. As Euro Australian dollar, of course. Let's make this quick before we go to my ideas for today. So here we go. And here. So Euro Australian dollar, this is for, who is it? Yes, on YouTube, yeah. Okay, so first of all, where we are, yeah, where we are. The point of control is far away. Point of control, which means the average price is at 162.393. So where we are kind of deep in the green zone, which the current price is quite cheap right now. And this is the idea, to buy cheap and to sell expensive. But you know, if you cannot work with guarantees, you have to work with probabilities. Therefore, we need the rules. So, do we have a trend here right now? Basically, if you draw it correctly, then you have to confess you don't have a trend. Why is it? Let me show you this one. You have the first move. And by the way, this move broke the downtrend here. So, and now that is point number one on the lower side. That's point number one. Point number two, the last high. And then you have to go to the deepest point. So therefore, actually you don't have a trend. This is not a valid trend. Yeah. So, and if you miss rule number one, you don't have to do a trade. That's the point. So if we go a little bit closer, maybe, and you start at the next point, which is absolutely fine for me, but basically the main trend, be aware of that. The main trend is not valid. And this could be a little bit dangerous. So then you can draw it in that way. Then you have this one. Then this is your trend. And now we have to check if you have a trend continuation. Yes, there was one. So therefore you have to do it in that way. That's the next move. So we have a correction. And actually this is a kind of the deepest correction here right now, or maybe it's the same one, whatever, you can do that. It's the same. Let's check it. The same, yeah, punctually, almost punctually. Okay, so now we have what we have to do. First of all, please realize we are in a high volume zone. It's a green zone. It's still cheap, the price, but you see the price is they rise or they increase the volume there, which means the market says actually we are kind of okay with that price right now. But finally, point of control is above. So how we can handle this? Yeah, wait. Just wait, for example, if, maybe if you can see clearly that the price will go up. Yeah, maybe we can do that. Wait for a breakout above the last point 2. Then you will see the price will struggling at the point of low, and then wait for the rebound or the retest of the last point 2, and then we can do that. So I would, in that way, I would do it. This is a kind of more safe, because this is a high volume zone. All this completely zone here you see, it's a kind of volume zone where the price says, oh, I feel comfortable with that. I'm fine with that. So let's keep it there. Okay. So don't do anything there. Stop it. Just watch it. Don't touch it. Just watching, no touching. Okay. Okay, cool. So that is. So what's on my watch list today? So, we have a clear answer. The answer to the question, do you really think trading is learnable? Yeah. So answer number one, yeah, I do. And we have 92% that said, yeah, it is. And only just 8%, two people of you says, okay, I'm not sure yet. It's fine. If you're not sure yet, it's fine. I completely agree. So follow the show every morning and learn trading in that way, in the structured, proper way, in a calm way, where you stay in your inner center. So like me, I start my trading day here in my office with 20 minutes meditation every morning. It's called, I have two meditations. The one is Golden Rule meditation. The other one is Lion's Dance meditation. And this is staying in your inner center. Be focused. Empty the glass of your mind. Make it empty because it is full. If your glass is full, guys, if the glass is full, which means your mind is full, it's going over. And the next reaction is emotionally and not realistic, not based on your mind. Therefore, you talk to yourself every day 65,000 words. Every day, every day. 65,000 words every day. Just you and yourself, you and your subconscious. 65,000 words. The males, yeah. Woman, and double, yeah, but they can think around. Yeah, we men, we guys, we have boxes. Yeah, we think in boxes. We have to jump from one box to the other. This is really damn it exhausting. So our woman, they just have one box. They are thinking around all day, so they can handle it a little bit better. So therefore, 65,000 words a day plus what's coming from outside. People talking to you, your kiddies, your wife, your job, whatever it is. So, and then it's full, completely full. And then you want to become a trader. And then you come to trading and you have to handle this kind of probability, this feeling of uncertainty on the right side, this handling risk we talked about yesterday. So what should happen? Just only one thing: you react in an emotional way, because your mind is full. And therefore, take your time in between the day. Close your eyes, keep 1 minute, take 1 minute, 2 minutes, and reduce the pressure on your mind. Otherwise, trading is really hard stuff. And I figure it out, of course, protected and guided by my mentors. You can become successful in trading if you think with your mind and not with your heart. So what I'm doing is, from the bottom of my heart, I can promise you, if you follow the rules and if we do it together, we can become successful in trading. Absolutely. Absolutely. It's my private opinion. It is possible. And I prove it with my real accounts. You know it. Here, this is a fresh account. We have to build it up. There is no problem. We will do it. So on my watch list today is Australian dollar, US dollar. Why is it? Check it. We are in the red zone. And this is what I see right now. Don't go too close at the chart. Give it a little bit more space. You see, this is movement and correction. And then we had a big move here. Take it, it's a kind of medium trend. Yeah, it's fine for me because we are within the red zone. So now wait if the price will come down, and we measure it with our Fibonacci. So, and now wait if we will have a close below 38%. And I'm quite sure there's the last point too, that this is a kind of support zone. And this will pull more buyers into the market. So wait, if you don't have a close below 38, don't make it. But if we will have a close, then we can speculate that the price will go up and we will reach the last high again. And this is enough to make a quick trade, to make money with that. Yeah, but always stick to the rules. That's the point. Never work against the rules. Otherwise, your trading is kind of coincidence. Next one. Euro and New Zealand dollar still struggling because you see we have high volume zone there. And this is the reason why the price doesn't go up. Why is it? The price is fair valued here right now. And this is how you can predict what could happen on the right side. It's still a trend, but you see, we avoided to make a trade there, and we were right with that. So wait, we have time. Wait if we get a clear signal why the price is going up, and then maybe you make a retest, and then we can speculate on the breakouts up to the point of control. And you know, guys, this is a kind of guarantee. And if you learn to trade in that way, focus on the price, not on chart pictures. Price. Only judge the price. If you go to the grocery, you know about the price. You have this kind of feeling based on your experience. Yeah, if you see the strawberries there and they cost $15, you say, okay, guys, it's fine, bite me. I don't buy strawberries today. Yeah. So you have this feeling if a price is cheap or is expensive or is normal valued. And in trading, it is exactly the same. You don't trade the label on the left side. This is Euro New Zealand, or you don't trade that. Change your mind, like listen to the risk. It's not risk in trading. Kind of management is there. Stop looking at this label. You trade the price. There must be a reason why we have on the right side this price information. Why is it? Yeah, it costs something. If you want to go to Uproad and you have to exchange your money, then you ask. So for example, if I want to go to USA, I ask, oh, how much is dollar right now? And always if you ask how much, you get a special answer. It is that much, which means we're talking about the price. And prices are only cheap, expensive, or fair valued, no more, no less. That over and out. That's all. Why you should react in an emotional way? Why? There is, to be honest, if you think it really through, there is no reason. Why you act in an emotional way, your mind is full. That's the real and deeper cause why you react in an emotional way. And if you can handle this, and if you can train that together, I promise you, we can change a lot of things in our life. The question is if you are willing to do that. That's your decision. And I hope we can do it together. Euro British pound. Nothing. You see, actually, we don't have a clear trend. Yeah. And therefore, you can see why we cut the loss, because we had a secondary trend which was facing upwards. That was this kind of trend here. So we made it and it was fine. We speculated on a trend break, but here we realized we were sitting in the wrong bus. Fine. And now you look, we are deeper. And therefore I said, cut the loss, guys. It's not a personal punishment because the market doesn't know you. Realize it. The market doesn't know you. I know you and you know me, but the market doesn't know you. Therefore, the market never will punch you in your face. Or maybe the market never will punish you or reward you. Why he should do that? The market doesn't know you. Only people they hate you or only people they love you, they can hurt you or reward you or praise you or whatever it is. But never the market. The market contains millions of traders around the world. Why you should take a stop loss personally? Why? Think it through, guys. So next, just watching. Yeah, it's, you see here the same. Why I said cut the loss. Just the reaction of realizing I'm in the wrong bus. The bus station was fine. The bus station was correct. The line was correct, but my bus driver had a heart attack. So I have to get out in the next station and I'm waiting for the next one. Think in that way, guys. Think in that way. And there is a great way to become successful in trading. Yeah. So British pound US dollar, you see, I'm waiting that the point of control was switching up. And you see now the price went up and we don't have a downtrend anymore. Actually, we have to realize that it's still an uptrend. And now, actually, I'm not sure if the point of control will continue or will move to the upper side, but I'm quite sure that the price will come down again, will test this breakout level again. And if the price will keep there, remain there for a couple of periods, then the price will continue. I'm looking forward to show you that. Let's see what will happen. Then you know it's a kind of convincing that you know what happened in the next time. And this is a great idea to make trading profitable. So this is still on my watch list. And as I mentioned yesterday, the price will test this zone again. Point of control is still far away. I'm speculating that we can open a trade on my way down, maybe a kind of breakouts, that we're speculating on the trend continuation to the lower side. So keep in your watch list. Follow me in my live trading room on Twitch or in Fibonacci, no, not Fibonacci, in Twitter, of course, in Twitter. So, and here's an interesting chance in US dollar, Japanese yen. So first of all, draw the trend properly. We start at the lowest point, movement, because here was the trend break, by the way. There was the trend break. So then correction. And then we had the move. So now you realize we are deep in the correction, 100% correction. And this is not always healthy. I call it healthy. Healthy corrections stopped at around about 68%, or maybe latest 78. More than 78%, it's not longer a healthy correction. So, and as a consequence, you can see there developed a secondary trend, which is the correction of the main trend. So, and the question is right now, maybe you have in your mind, oh gosh, which one should I trade right now? Should I trade the main trend or should I trade a secondary trend? The answer is really clear. First of all, the main trend were corrected 100%. It's not healthy. By the way, the answer is so much clear if you work with the knowledge of price. So point of control is far away. And you see, there is no obstacle on my way down to the point of control. A little bit here, a little bit there, but so far away from the point of control, which means that we can expect that the price will go down to the point of control. So this is why, Alexander, great job this morning. We can speculate here on a trend break. So maybe I can delete this one. If you have kind of, you see there is a high volume zone there, and this is a kind of support or resist zone. So if you will see balance candles here right now, and maybe actually it occurs, there occurs a balance candle right now, then we can speculate on a trend or a trade to the lower side, and we will open it a little bit lower round about here. Yeah. So not too close, give it space. We have much space to go back to the point of control. And a good trader don't have to catch every pip. We want to have the main piece of our cake and not the single, yeah. What's the English word? The single piece? I don't know. I know the German word, but I don't know the English word. Yeah, but you know, the piece, the single piece of a, I have to check it. So I will crump. Thank you, Ian. Thank a little every crump of the cake. So thank you, Ian. I have to crump. Yeah, that's cool. So okay, guys, that was my point for today. I guess I'm done for today. I hope we will see each other in my trading room and tomorrow, of course, on our morning briefing show. And I hope you give us a like on YouTube, follow us there, and leave your comment if you want to know something, or if you have any suggestions for the morning briefing show. We should talk about this topic or this topic or this one. Let us know. We made this show for you, and we want that you become successful on the long run, and that way we can change something. So let's do it together. And I wish you a wonderful, lovely day, collecting a lovely moments for your life museum, and always plant good seeds. You know, that's the point, how we can plant our whole and entire life. Have courage and be kind, and may the force of the rules be with you. See you. Bye-bye.